everyone. Today Ayushi is here to discuss about liquidity ratio. So what is liquidity ratio? Liquidity ratio is a financial metric that measures the company's ability to meet its short-term obligations with its current assets. So there are three types of liquidity ratio, that is current ratio, quick ratio and cash ratio. Current ratio. Current ratio is measured as the ratio of current assets to current liability. It measures to what extent a company is prepared to meet its short-term obligations with its current assets on a particular date. So, the higher is the current ratio, it means that the company is well prepared to pay off its current liabilities. So, next is quick ratio. Quick ratio is also known as asset test ratio. Quick ratio is measured as quick assets to current liabilities. Quick assets are the assets which are convertible into cash quickly, like cash or marketable receivables. So next is cash ratio. In this, the company compares the most liquid assets such as cash and cash equivalents to its current liabilities. Cash is considered as the most liquid asset, so the company compares to what extent a company is ready to pay off its current liabilities with cash. So what is the significance of this ratio? The significance of this ratio is that it helps the investors and creditors to know about the financial position of the company. It helps the company to make financial decisions effectively.